Hi everyone, it's Kim here. I'm just gonna put a little video together of stuff that we got done over the weekend. It was a really productive weekend. I got some mums planted, some trellises built for the garden. The peas are starting to climb up it, so you'll see that. So this weekend we've done a lot of projects and stuff, and I was just Gonna show you the mums that I got planted in the planters and in the ground. I pulled out the red geraniums that were in this bed, and the mums were just looking so pretty. And it's probably a little early, but it'll be okay. I just wanted them in the ground to start looking like fall. Maybe we could beckon fall to come. We're still up in the 90s next week and later on this week, so it's just, I don't know, it's crazy that the weather is so hot, but spring lasted so long this year. We didn't really get hot till the end of June, beginning of July, and that's just really not normal. So I kind of figured that fall would come a little later anyways, but I think it really looks really pretty. I like all the different colors, and I've got some marigolds planted, and they're really pretty. I've got some orange on them and yellow, and they're really pretty. And then up at the top flower bed, I've got some more planted. Got a few little pumpkins here that are changing color. I'm not sure what they're going to exactly look like. They kind of planted themselves, and we didn't know what we were going to get, actually. So I'm surprised we even got 4 pumpkins, really. But they're really cool. And yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit. We do live in a barn. I'll tell you a story about that barn in an upcoming video. But we do live in a renovated old tobacco barn. And then I've got another one like over here. So I think it just looks really pretty. Got some coneflowers right here that I'm going to save some seeds and share with my sister. But yeah, I think it looks really pretty, and it's starting to look like fall. We just got to get some pumpkins out here. I'm just really excited to get it looking at least a little bit like fall, even if it's not feeling like fall. So I hope you liked the video of us getting things cleaned up around here and building the trellises and getting the mums planted. Starting to look like fall. It's not feeling like fall, but it's starting to look like fall. And soon enough, it will feel like fall. So I hope that you like it. And please like and subscribe. Share this video. We are a new channel, and we're just trying to get it off the ground. There's going to be a lot happening here. Lots of videos coming. So just stay tuned. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.